The company has a great economic and social value. In every company, the decision maker ensures its protection and the improvement of its performance. This is possible only if we preserve the confidence of the company's environment, customers, suppliers, shareholders, and partners. The higher the value of the company is, the more important its data becomes. The loss and leaks of such data have an important impact on the company. The Information Security Management System is there to manage the risk relating to the security of the company's data and establishes the appropriate safety rules to reduce this risk. The aim of the ISMS is to protect the company against any risk that may harm its interests and activities. The National Agency for Computer Security encourages companies to adapt the ISMS by guiding the consultancy firms that support, study, frame, and audit. The company which adapts the ISMS becomes better equipped than others to mitigate against risk that could affect its information system. The company can obtain ISO certification that will strengthen its achievements. Mr. X chooses to implement ISMS through a clear and operational plan, while Mr. Y continues to run his security measure randomly. The access to Mr. X company is well organized and documented, while the access to Mr. Y's company is chaotic. In Mr. X company, it's difficult to penetrate the computer system, and the risk of loss of data is reduced because the company is well prepared. In contrast, in the company of Mr. Y, with the slightest error or omission, everything may disappear and be lost. All is well organized at Mr. X company. Everything operates and transmitted smoothly as everyone assumes its responsibility. For Mr. Y's company, when we ask anyone to account for something, no one can identify the origin of the error. Mr. X is able, thanks to the ISMS, to have a very beneficial return on investment in terms of quality and efficiency of service, as well as the confidence of his customers, suppliers, and partners. As for Mr. Y, if any incident happens, it makes him spend money to buy security solutions. However, the situation does not seem to improve. After some time, Mr. X company is growing, it's developing, its value is increasing, as well as the number of the clients who trust him. Whenever a company grows, its surrounding risks grow too. The ISMS allows the company management to assess the risk and take immediate decision. Thus, the system guarantees its effectiveness thanks to the regular audit process. Mr. Y's company is irregular and unstable. It's facing huge problem with ups and downs. Owner is spending most of his time at making useless effort to correct the deficiencies. Had he installed the ISMS, he would have been protected and the company would have had a better image.